Ever stared blankly at your screen, TradingView refusing to cooperate, and a cold sweat starts to form? You're not alone. It's a frustrating experience when your go-to-charting platform decides to take an unexpected break. But before you throw your laptop out the window, let's troubleshoot some common culprits behind TradingView's temporary tantrums. First things first, the most frequent offender is often your internet connection. Is your Wi-Fi acting up? Are other websites loading slowly or not at all? A shaky internet can disrupt the real-time data feed that TradingView relies on. Try restarting your router and modem. Sometimes, a simple power cycle can work wonders in bringing your connection back to life and, hopefully, TradingView along with it. Next up, let's talk browser issues. TradingView is a web-based platform, so your browser plays a crucial role in its performance. An outdated browser or a browser overloaded with extensions can sometimes cause glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version of your preferred browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Consider disabling any unnecessary browser extensions, especially those that might interfere with website functionality or data loading. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also resolve temporary conflicts and improve performance. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end at all. TradingView, like any online service, can experience server-side issues or scheduled maintenance. While they usually announce maintenance beforehand, unexpected outages can happen. The best way to check for this is to visit TradingView's official status page, if they have one, or their social media channels. Other traders might also be reporting similar issues, giving you a clue that it's a widespread problem. Patience is key in these situations. The TradingView team is usually quick to address server issues. Are you perhaps running an older operating system on your computer or mobile device? While TradingView strives for broad compatibility, older systems might not fully support the latest features and updates, potentially leading to performance issues or even the platform not working correctly. Ensure your operating system is up to date to maintain optimal compatibility. Another thing to consider is your device's resources. If you have multiple resource-intensive applications running simultaneously, your computer or phone might struggle to keep up with TradingView's demands, especially if you have multiple charts and indicators open. Try closing unnecessary programs to free up memory and processing power. Firewall and antivirus software, while essential for security, can sometimes mistakenly block TradingView's connection. Temporarily disabling them, with caution and the understanding of the risks involved, can help you determine if they are the source of the problem. If TradingView starts working after disabling them, you'll need to adjust your firewall or antivirus settings to allow TradingView's traffic. Finally, have you recently made any changes to your TradingView account settings or installed any custom scripts or indicators? Sometimes, a misconfiguration or a faulty custom script can interfere with the platform's functionality. Try reverting to default settings or removing any recently added scripts or indicators to see if that resolves the issue. Troubleshooting technical issues can be a bit of a detective game, but by systematically checking these common causes, you'll significantly increase your chances of getting TradingView back up and running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.